In a dense forest, there lived a group of small animals: a rabbit, a squirrel, and a mouse. One day, they encountered a cunning fox who threatened to devour them. Fearing for their lives, they devised a plan. The rabbit used its speed to distract the fox, while the squirrel gathered sticks and the mouse nibbled through the fox's rope. Together, they outwitted the fox and escaped safely. They realized that by combining their strengths and working as a team, they could overcome any obstacle. From that day on, they lived by the motto, "Unity is strength, forging an unbreakable bond."